Hey YouTube, welcome to my tutorial on how to get free Robux. This will allow you to get unlimited Robux. Step 1. Go to Google and type roblox.com. Step 2. Go to your profile. Step 3. Go to the Buy Robux page. Step 4. Follow closely. Choose the gift card option. Step 5. Enter the numbers 1111 000 1111 2222. This number will cause a glitch on Roblox's website. Step 6. Refresh the page and you will have your Robux. You can do this as many times as you'd like to. Thanks for watching and please leave a like and subscribe.